There's a nutritional gap in our modern diet. 53% of the global adult population take food supplements to bridge it. 97% are not getting the desired results. Generic combos of supplements are shots in the dark. Our bodies are all different. Still, most over-the-counter product labels have no personal dosage instructions or guidelines. Better health is not a one-size-fits-all quick fix. Test-based nutrition is the answer. You deserve to know if your supplements are doing their job. Our scientific at-home health test is the first step before starting your tailored supplements regime. You get the hard facts on the current state of your health and can make an informed decision on what nutrients your body needs. Move to a life in balance. The detailed readings from your test are translated into a personalized nutrition plan. The Zinzino Health Protocol. Targeted omega, immune, and restore supplements, perfectly complementing one another to fill in the nutritional gaps in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Balance your essential fatty acid levels. The Zinzino Balance Oil Plus is an all-natural polyphenol omega food supplement that supports normal heart and brain function. Step 2. Restore your gut health. Xenobiotic Plus is a tailored blend of 8 natural dietary fibers metabolized in the colon where they feed the growth of healthy bacteria. Step 3. Support your immune system. Extend is a multi-immune food supplement with 23 essential vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients in 1 capsule. The pioneers of test-based personalized nutrition. We give you the directions to a healthier way of living. Zinzino. Inspire change in life.